If you would like to record your meeting for future reference, while the meeting is in progress, all you have to do is simply click on Record button here. When you do that, you will have an ability to stop or pause recording from here, or stop or pause recording from the top. You will also notice the little red icon showing you that it's currently recording. If you would like to pause, simply click on Pause, and it says recording is paused. When you're ready to continue recording, all you have to click on Play here on the top or the one at the bottom, and it will continue. To stop the recording, you will be able to press on Stop button here, or you could end the meeting and it will stop recording automatically too. If you are sharing your screen during the time when you would like to record, the process will be a little bit different. So if I go ahead and share my screen right now, you will notice that record is no longer here. So you will need to click on More, then Record from here. It will again show you the little red dot telling you that it's currently recording. And then you will be able to pause or stop recording by hovering over in the ellipsis, the three dots at the end, and then you could pause or stop recording from there. Once the meeting is ended, you will be automatically converted to MP4 file, so you will be able to review it and share it with others later.